Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how I got 29 replies and 13 leads with a single email campaign in less than 5 minutes of work just talking with Rex, our AI agent. So what I did, it was opening my Discord account and I talked with Rex. So Rex is our AI agent that is available to chat inside Discord, and for this exercise, I'm going to say that I want to generate a list of cafes in Chicago. And what Rex is going to do is based it on millions of interactions that he has every day with our clients, is to suggest a list based on what performs better. But he's going to talk with me. So as you can see here, he's saying, hey, a good size for focus campaign. So we found 1,000 cafes in Chicago. He's asking me if I want to refine my audience by excluding chain or go ahead and create a campaign. So I would say I want non-chain only. And it's going to take just a few seconds to say what is the end result, so the final number looks. And I can also say I want to see the list. So this is really interactive. So based on my request, he just shared a sample of the list, and here I can say the name, the address, the phone number, the website, and even the REHU score and the number of locations. So this all looks like independent ones, and I can say, okay, let's create a campaign. Space available, second generation, a lot of traffic nearby. And based on the information, Rex is going to build a campaign for me, and he can even ask for more insights. It's like in this example, he's asking if he can use my phone name and any highlights of why they should care about my message. So he's really like your own personal assistant. So I would say, don't add phone number, the highlight is second gen space and a lot of visibility traffic nearby. And what Rex is doing is based on the millions of cents that we have. He's going to create the campaign, but not just based on what works for the rest of our clients, but based on my AI training. So the AI training or AI profile is our AI understanding what works for me, because what works for my audience and for my company is not going to be the same for a different industry, or even the same company with a different, ICP, ideal customer profile. So what the AI training does is, with more and more that I use with Squad, is understanding what kind of message gets more replies and what kind of lists work better. So this AI training is the next step of AI personalization and automated outreach, because we have an AI that gets smarter every time you send more campaigns. So this is gold. And here on the Rex, he sent me an example of a sequence that could work, and he already followed the best practice that I always say to our clients, which is saying the type of businesses in the area, so cafe space available in Chicago. He added some personalization like the owner name and the business name. I also have a cafe for you, so I thought it might be a good fit. If you can send us a quick overview, interest, so this is perfect. Following up with good visibility, and then there is the AI snippet. Okay, so this is looking really good. We always say to create a three-step email sequence, because less than that, you're not going to have enough replies, and more than that, you probably are not going to receive enough results to be worth it, and you can annoy the person, and you might receive spam complaints. So a three-step email sequence is usually the sweet spot, and really following up with a quick, valuable email, not wasting the owner's time because they are busy, and just trying to get that, yes, I want to have my information, like not asking for too much too early. So this is looking really good, and the only thing that I'm going to say is add risk grant in the company name. And you can ask for any kind of edits that you want. So this is something that It's really cool with Rex, like you can chat, and he works really fast, he never gets tired. Okay, so he made the change that I asked, and I could ask him to launch the campaign like I did for this one that I'm going to show you, the campaign that Squad did for me, that I got the 29 replies. So here I have the Santa Monica Yoga Space outreach. So here in the sequence, this yoga studio space available in Santa Monica. Hi, I'm reaching out because I have 17 renovations on busy street, flexing the quick overview with sites and photos. After 2 days, I sent a follow-up note with happy to send basket details. And then I sent a message with, hey, checking on that yoga space available. I mentioned a quick note now reply is fine. So this was the sequence and the exact copy. And with that, I think it was less than 3 minutes of work. I got the results. So I'm going just to filter by my list. So I am saying only the Santa Monica. And yeah, we got, I actually think I got more. So I got 42 replies, but of this 42, I got 16 leads. So our AI finds automatically what are the positive replies. And here I can even see the business details. So can give me some examples, and I can even see the thread that this person got. I can see more information about the business, and this is really helpful when you're making cold call, because you're already seeing what they look like. You can also do some online stalking in the social media. This one is a really hot lead because saying, hey, please give me a free call, please give me a call. So people saying, yes, I am interested, saying more info, give me a call. This is gold, because this is the list that you want to spend time following up, right? These people heard from you, got your message, and are interested in the space you're selling. Another really cool thing is that you can see the report. So here I'm going to filter again for only that Santa Monica outreach. And then I can see the number of business that I contact every day. So looking at all my campaigns and not just that one, I got 42 replies, 16 leads, and I can even see the categories that are replying me more, and the number of business that I am contacting every day. So this is really nice, and you can track your team's work and even send this information to the landlord or anyone that needs to see how the performance of your campaigns are doing. So you saw how easy it is to just talk with Rex, say what you want, and having this personal assistant that never gets tired, that don't need sick days, don't need to take day offs. So it's really cool to be able to talk with an AI agent that knows how to prospect for you. And this way you have more times to focus on relationships and closing deals rather than doing this heavy lifting that can be automated. So if you're interested in checking how this could work for you, you can get a demo at richard.ai, or feel free to follow us and drop us a message, and then we'll reach out.